Hi guys, welcome back to German AutoHaus. Here we specialize on supercar repair and performance. Subscribe, ring that bell to get more content about these beautiful cars. And today I would like to show you guys how to replace a suspension pressure accumulator to upgraded version 675 on this McLaren 720S. First, we have to connect scanner and turn ignition on, of course. Need to turn off blower, music, and then we go into our scanner. Today we wanna use the Leonardo, and we go into try again, just to connect. We go into Diagnostics, choose McLaren 720 2017 gasoline, right? And then we go into where is the body control, chassis control unit, this guy. Adaptation and coding, yes. Suspension sensor calibration, no. Maintenance mode, yes. This is what we need to do. Right there, discharge, okay, yes, okay, yes. Condition, yes, okay. And the system start discharging. It's take a little bit time, let's wait. Okay, nose lift 0, circuit 0, circuit 0, status okay. Okay, well, the system now is discharged. This is little pressure in, but it's fine. This is what we need. Yes. Now it's time to replace the accumulator. Here is the accumulator. This is the new, this is the updated version, and here is the bolt. Oh, actually, I need to. Okay, yes, that's fine. Okay, no, done. Okay, fender liner pulling out, and the intake elbows. Now we have an axis for this old style pressure. See this 80 bar right there. We have access to the pressure accumulator, and now we need to open this guy, and it's no pressure inside. But guys, wear the glasses and gloves, and it start leaking little bit fluid, and just like take some rocks or something, towel to avoid mess inside. Okay, small cup and 19, and now just like 19 mil range, and just like slowly open, slowly. No any explosion, I hope happens, but anyway it's gonna be like little bit fluid for sure. Oops, yeah, see, it's not a lot, but a little bit is still leaking. Okay, now it's time for new, but I want to show you guys why the new bolt is coming. So when we install the new accumulator, we can see the one valve right there, the block, and we need to turn this valve like this. See, Now we can tight. Dun, 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 dun. And now you can see why we need a new bolt, because bolt is blocked and we need to install the new bolt, new style. Here is the what is difference between 13 and upgraded bolt for the big accumulator. It's really light torque. Then we jump to the other side, do the exactly same thing, and then go into front. And now it's time for the other side, but I already replaced the passenger, and I would like to show you guys what is different between how we can see the bed accumulator like 100%. Here is the new one, and you can see how it's deep going. Here is the rear one, it's all the way down, and here is the one front. It still have some little pressure, but here is empty, no pressure, but I feel like it's not good. The new one, it's really hard to push. That one is still have little bit. This is why this car is bouncy and makes some sound and glitches from suspension system. Okay, let's start replace the front. And first we need to pull the fender liner out. 1, 2, 3, where is the 4, 5, and number 6 right there. Yeah, 6 screw and 2 clips right there. 1 plastic clip, come on. And then 1 more right there. 2. Okay, the fender liner is out. Now, let me move my camera. We can remove this accumulator. We need to install first the small cap because it starts leaking fluid to avoid big mess. And then 19mm wrench. You can see, guys, it's not hardly tight, just like really light torque. Okay. No pressure here too. I see this like almost empty. Okay, I wanna leave this guy. I wanna clean this area. Clean before a bit. Okay. See, I will turn this sensor a little bit, and now I need to remove, like, I need to drop down the strut because this accumulator is much more taller than original one, and I can't install like that. See, it's impossible. I have to pull the strut down. 13. And also I have to install the new updated bolt on this side. Oops, and bottom one. Now I need to move strap down. Now we can install this guy. Pavel will assist me with tray bar to move a little bit suspension down, and I can just like cut few thread and then bolt. Not forget to install the new upgraded bolt right there before you start tight, and then back to original. Then we can. Okay, Pavel, please push. Whoop. Hold on. Okay. Yeah. Okay. It's inside. Yeah, please push. Hold this little bit for me, because I need to install this guy. One more. Hold on. Right there. Okay. One more 13. And then we're gonna be retorque this bolt. Now we can install the accumulator, and one more bolt on the bottom. Pavel, please, can you help me one more time? Okay. 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 And now we just need to retorque our bolt, and then we need to tighten this accumulator. Okay, now we can retorque this accumulator by vice grip. Guys, it's not really big torque, but now we can see they are too big, and we don't have any access to tighten on top, because here is the bracket. We can tighten manually by vice grip, and should be no any problem. We done this a lot of time before. Okay, enough. Now it's backward. Install the fender liner, and let's go pressurize the system. Well, everything is already in. Now we need to turn ignition on. Come on, wake up. Yes, ignition on. Our light is on. We need to pop this guy, check the level, but anyway we have to for sure add it a little bit fluid. Yeah, it's full now, but it's going down. Now go to the scanner, turn on. Okay, go back. I think we lose communication. Exiting from ECU, again chassis control unit. Adaptation and coding. Yes. Maintenance mode. Okay. Start. Okay. Charge. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. Turn engine on. Okay. Oh, you can see how is the pressure rise up actually now. They just like bleed the system. See, 29 bar, 58 bar already. The procedure is complete. Okay. Now we have to wait to bleed the system. Okay. Everything is good. Yes. Operation complete. The hydraulic system was being pressurized successful. And the level is okay. I already added almost 1/4 of the fluid because it's empty. And guys, remember, this is the bigger. See, now it's pump and pump. It's not make any crazy sound. Everything looks good. Now it's take time to test drive, but the mission is complete.